Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. Today, day number 24 of DAX functions. In this video, we are going to discuss about the yet other again a path function, how it works. If you are watching our channel for the first time, we have discussed 23 different videos of DAX functions, which is including date and time functions, text functions, information functions, and logical functions. And now we are currently dealing with the parent and child DAX functions, in which we have already discussed about path function, how it works, path item function. So today we are going to discuss with the third one of this parent and child function, which is path item reverse. How it works and where we are going to use, we are going to discuss in this video detailed. We are requesting you to not skip this video, watch until the end, so that it will be a complete information for you to understand it. Let's start with that today's video. So you can see the table which we have created here, which is having captain, path item, and today we are going to create the path item reverse table. As we mentioned, we have given the 23 different days of different videos link in the description box. You can see the videos with the help of the playlist link as well, and also we have provided the playlist of other how to create the simple Power BI dashboard in the end card as well. You can watch it at the end. Let's start with the today's one. So I'm going to create a new column. I'm naming it as path item reverse, and which is equal to, you can see here our path item reverse function is available. I'm giving it, and you can see it's giving the information returns the nth item, which is delimited list produced by the path function. It is counting it from the backwards. It is counting the values from the backward. But if you check the path item, it will be counting it from the beginning of the text value which we have given. So here we have already passed, so I am going to give the path, or else if you want to take the new path you can take it, but I am going to take the path which is already existing. And position I am going to give it as 2, and the type which we have already discussed, which is text, close the bracket, hit enter. So our path item is created. I am going to drag it and put it in the table. You can see the second position of here is Dhoni, and here from the last is Kohli, and the last here is Rohit. This how the path item revert function works. It is taking the values from the last question. Hope you have understood this video. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you. Jai Hind.